dog's taking her shit. Good work, Tex. You're doing great. Anyway, guys, so this tire's flat, so my ass is sinking right into here. But today, we're going to continue working on the snowmobile, the Yamaha VMAX XTC 600. And we're going to get the hood off. There's a couple things with the hood that I want to correct. Plus, I want to kind of clean up the engine bay a little bit. So I'm going to take you guys along for the journey today. I got a little attachment for the drill that I actually did in a really old video back when I had my Mark IV GTI. And we're going to kind of clean up some of the stuff in the actual engine bay itself with a wire brush. But if you are new here, smash that subscribe button. Join us on our journey to 5,000 subscribers. And yeah, mud jug of the day is the Blue Lives Matter mud jug. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. So we're going to get this thing spun around and get the Warrior kind of pushed back out so it's a little bit nicer for you guys to watch. Plus, it's a little bit easier for me having that angle because I am going to completely take the hood off of the sled.
We will conquer all the oceans you can name. No, we won't take any blame. So I'm sorry for not slipping in, but don't worry, we'll find our way in. So I'm sorry for not slipping in, not slipping in, not slipping in.
Now, as you can see, the hood is now officially off of the sled, but we're going to get back to this maybe even later on in this video. Certain things that I want to get corrected with that hood. But inside here, you guys see like all of this gunk and just nastiness that's on top of here. We're going to get all of that cleaned up today. So for this kind of task that we're going to do, I just went to Lowe's and I bought like one of their little wire brushes. As you can see on the back side here, it's like $4 to be honest with you. But yes, you are technically scratching it up a little bit, but your end product is going to look freaking phenomenal in comparison to what it looks like right now. So I actually, like I said, I did a video on this like a while ago in reference to my Mark IV GTI back when I had it and did like a huge transformation. So we'll take a picture of what it looks like now, and then we'll take a picture at the end what it looks like, and then compare the two.
Come to the river, let me see the water side. Let me slip into the water, go down until I drown. So I'm sorry for not slipping in, but don't worry, we'll find our way in. So I'm sorry for not slipping in, not slipping in, not slipping in.
Hopefully this right here gives you guys like a better idea of what we're looking like now that everything's just kind of scuffed up and kind of shiny now. So let's leave it at that. Like I said, we're gonna have to get like a little handheld brush to kind of get around these edges, but we'll save that for another time. But this hood has these little pieces right inside here. They come off on the inside, and and I'm really contemplating taking them off because they are definitely, like, they're kind of rusty looking. Like, they're not the prettiest of looking things. Really contemplating making them red as like an accent, just because we have red accents everywhere on this sled. So I'm really contemplating doing these in red. I just don't know if it's going to be overkill. Now I want you guys to drop a comment down below if you think that those red accents would look decent on the sled, or if I should just maybe hit them with black or whatever. Drop a suggestion down below for what you think those accents would be. But I'm kind of looking at this, and it's a big, very restrictive exhaust on here.
I wonder what would happen if somebody took it off.
Now, for the record, if you do take this off, don't run it for a long period of time. Specifically on 2-strokes, you'll end up getting low compression, or at least that's what I've heard. So if we take it off, I'm going to try to anyway. Everything seems like it's pretty old, and like I said, it's from 1997, so I might have a hard time getting it off. But if we get it off, maybe I'll start it up, and then we'll just put it right back on. Well, so I guess testically this
Yeah, I said testically.
this isn't a straight pipe. This is more of just an open header. But we're gonna give it a whirl anyway, and see where this ends up. Oh, caught on my pants. So that's gonna. I knew that was gonna fall. Alright, well, we'll just set this puppy over here. How about that? How about that? How about we just set you over here? How about that?
Freaking perfect.
I tried to start this the other day. It was a pain in the ass to get started. So I have a feeling this is just going to be obnoxiously friggin' loud. So let's do it. I can already tell this is going to be fucking obnoxious. I'm an idiot. You wanna know how dumb I am? Not hooking my spark plugs back up. Dumb. I can already tell it's gonna be loud because it's gargling a lot louder than normal, and I probably won't keep it running. Let's see how this goes. Oh my God. So I just got word that both kids are upstairs sleeping, so it's going to be a little bit of a time gap. For you guys, it's not going to be a time gap, but until I start it and keep it running, it'll be a little bit of time. But that was freaking obnoxiously loud. Guys, so during that little break, I obviously got a shower, got changed. I'm going to leave this disconnected, and we're just going to start it up, let it run for a quick minute, and then shut it back off. So let's see. I want to get it off of choke. That way we can at least hear kind of like the idle, maybe give it a little bit of a rev. But here we go. Well, guys, it's a smoky mess in here, but that's a little bit too obnoxious for me, and I do like loud things. I like loud vehicles, but that's just a little bit too loud for me. So, not going to do it in this video, but we're going to put it all back together, have it back to stock, but I was just curious as to what that would actually sound like with basically the open header. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. I hope you guys are stoked for more snowmobile content. And like I said in the last video, comment down below if you want to see some GoPro footage of riding. So, if this was your first time watching a video on the channel, guys, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button down below. Click that little notification bell beside so you guys are notified every single time that I post a video. And it keeps you guys up to date with what is going on. Join our journey on to 5,000 subscribers, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you.